Good morning, children. Today we will study science subject and the chapter is coal and petroleum. First, we have to learn these two types of resources that are inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources are the resources which cannot be exhausted or finished due to human consumption. Example are air and sunlight. Air and sunlight. Exhaustible resources. Resources which can be exhausted due to human being activities. Due to human being activities. Example are coal, petroleum, forest, wildlife, etc. So, the chapter we are studying is coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are inexhaustible natural resources. What is coal? You have seen coal. It is black in color and hard as stone. It is one of the domestic fuel which is used in. It is one of the fuel that is used in domestic uses, and there is industrial use also, such as power generation. It is used in various thermal power plants for the power generations. Next topic is how the formation of coal takes place. 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 Around 3000 years ago, there was dense forests, and due to flooding, the trees got buried under the soil. the trees buried got buried under the soil. The forest got buried under the soil. As the soil deposited over them, then due to the compression and continuous compression and high temperature, these trees turns into the coal. And coal is also called fossil fuel. Coal is also called fossil fuel. When coal is heated, it releases carbon dioxide gas, and products formed are coke, tar, coal, and tar and coal gas. These are the products formed when the coal is heated. Coke, it is a tough, porous and black substance. It is also the pure form of carbon. It is used in manufacturing of steel and extraction of many metals. Coal tar. Underline the paragraph of coke, it is important. Coal tar, it is a black thick liquid with unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Underline it, and then the use is given in the book in the page number 58. It is used in everyday life and industry like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosive, perfumes, plastic paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, and naphthalene balls are also used naphthalene balls, and in making of naphthalene balls coal tar is also used. Okay. In your book, types of coals are not given, but I will tell you about the types of coal. Types of coal are anthracite, bituminous, okay. Next comes petroleum. Petroleum, you have also seen that The fuel which is used in your motorcycles, scooters and cars, it is petroleum products. Petroleum products. Petroleum products example are diesel, natural gas, petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from two words, petro and oleum. Petro means rock and oleum means oil. Combining the words we get rock, oil. It means it is mined from between the rocks under the earth. Petroleum is formed from the organism living in the sea. As these organisms dies, their bodies settle at the bottom of the sea and got covered with the layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years it gets compressed and due to the temperature inside the earth crust, it gets compressed and forms petroleum. Refining of petroleum. Refining of petroleum or crude oil. The raw form of the petroleum is crude oil. It is a dark oily liquid. It is a mixture of petroleum is mixture of petrol, diesel, paraffin and lubricating oil. Then the process of separation of these substances is called refining. It is called refining. Page number 59, figure 5.4. Figure 5.4, draw in your copy. It is very important. It is very important. This process is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Then page number 60, table 5.1, underline it, it is very important, learn it. Then comes the natural gas. Natural gas is a very important fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. because it is easy to transport through the pipes. It is very important fuel and is used and compressed form of natural gas. Natural gas compressed form is CNG. CNG compressed natural gas. It is CNG is also used in power generation. It is now used for power generation. Also used as a fuel in lighter transport, in lighter vehicle, lighter transport. Also used in synthesizing of fertilizers, it is given in page number 61. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in Krishna Godavari Delta. As already said, natural. Then comes topic 5.4, page number 61. Some natural resources are limited. As already said, coal, petroleum, fossil fuels, forest and mineral etc. are exhaustible, means they can be exhausted. It is formed in millions of years by the organisms which are deep buried in the earth. We can say that the formation of these resources requires millions of years. If it is exhausted or finished, we cannot produce petroleum easily. Okay. Then comes pollution. Then topics comes pollution, coal and petroleum on combustion produces carbon dioxide, which pollutes the air. Last paragraph in page number 61. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, underline it, PCRA, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, advises people how to save petrol, diesel while driving. Their tips are, underline these tips: drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. they advise us to drive in constant and moderate speed, especially 45 km per hour. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. Switch off the engine of the car or any vehicle when you are in a traffic. When you are in a traffic, ensure correct tire pressure. Maintain the correct tire pressure. Then last point is ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. You have to maintain the vehicle's engine, and you have to do the servicing of your vehicle time to time so that it does not releases black smoke. Okay, thank you. Your 5th chapter is completed. Thank you.